I know if one of you contacts Joanne, they'll have the social worker go out today. Or she's in real bad shape, yeah. Sir, come on up. Welcome back.
Thank you.
What's going on? How can I help you?
Well, to tell you, first of all, thank you. I can just tell I'm pretty good. You judge the character. You do care about what you're doing.
Well, you're very sweet.
Trying to learn. I'm so disappointed in you. I told you yesterday I didn't trust the judicial system. Wait,
wait. Still has an issue.
No,
I don't know
It's
what
okay.
it is.
Just talk to me. What's going
when I'm
on?
speaking, you
How
told
can I
me
help
yesterday,
you?
don't speak to you. Now, let me explain to you what happened. After you said yesterday verbally in the recording that Jordan, my son, was supposed to surrender his concealed weapons permit and his license in 24 hours at pre-trial. After that discussion, and we left this room, and I sat across the street for about 4 or 5 hours waiting, Attorney Linder wrote here prior to release that he had to do that. This wasn't entered in.
He's correct. Prior to release, he has to give in his concealed weapons permit. That's correct.
But that wasn't said in court, Your Honor. What happened yesterday at 5 when we went back to continue our business to take care of our properties, we came back over to pick up our son. After everything is closed, we find out this needed to be done.
Yeah.
Okay? That was totally not expressed to us then because common sense, all I had to do, we had the permit on us. We'd go downstairs and surrender it. That wasn't an issue. My son had to spend another night in jail. Last night, and you know, realistically with the judicial system, a second night in jail for a first offender, most times a fight or something break out. And then from there, that's how it continues. That's what my main issue for getting him out last night. That didn't happen. When I talked to my kid on the phone, he said, Dad, these guys are trying to fight with me in here. I told you yesterday, I don't trust this system. It's not designed for a black man. Period. I see in your face that you honestly care and you're trying. I don't trust this guy, honestly. I've already written my letter. I was up 2 o'clock this morning. I have my formal complaint that I will walk upstairs and give the attorney cites. Okay, from there, our attorney will follow up with anything else that needs to be done. I just wanted to record it and let him know how I feel. I don't trust him. I don't have anything I want to hear from him. My next step is upstairs. My son is out. We're gonna get him out now this morning. But I'm totally I'm just unhappy with the system.
Your Honor.
I'm not saying that he's perfect and he's right in this situation. Things do happen, and that's for the attorneys to fight that out. But I'm not happy how this transpired yesterday. It could have been taken care of yesterday. And my granddaughter's at the house last night. We came home. I didn't get home until about 10. I'm trying to get everything situated and just waiting around, hanging around, hoping. The other officers, because of my wife, her former position as a retired officer, they allowed us to even just come upstairs, just to knock on the door to see if someone's there and help us out. They were really nice and kind. I don't trust this guy. I don't trust the system, but I'm just upset. I just had to express that. That's all.
I know. I believe that. I completely understand. You should not be upset with. I mean, you can be upset with Mr. Linder if you'd like. If you want to be upset with me, that is okay because I did order that he had to surrender his concealed weapons permit
within 24 hours.
No. Prior to his release.
No, it did not.
Prior to his
that
release.
Word prior is so important in this situation.
And you can watch the video. We can have Craig or someone from the AV department pull up the video.
Please.
Because I did order that he release that prior to his release. And the detention specialist who was here yesterday, Tanisha, did call me to confirm that, and I did confirm that with her. I did confirm that with her. What I said he could do was he could be released after surrendering the concealed weapons. However, he could, within 48 hours, surrender the actual firearm. But you may want to take a look at the video before filing any complaints.
Also, you're the judge. You're in a position for a reason. For a living, I'm strictly documents. Dot my I's, cross my T's for everything that I do, so I don't have to end up in court. So I listen and I hear everything. Words, what make the difference. If you would have said prior, I went downstairs and did that then. The word prior was not mentioned in that. Trust me on this. I'll take this to the bank. I'll die on that one. Okay? Now, I'll accept your apology if you said, all you have to do is say, we made a mistake. I don't like it because my son's involved, but men say, I made a mistake, I made an error. I won't even pursue any further with that.
I'll tell you what. Why don't you go ahead next door? We'll get the video queued up for it. Why don't you watch the video and come on back?
And if I'm wrong, I'll apologize.
All right, sounds like a plan. All right. All right, Christine Enix.
Miss Enix is here. She's declining.
You know.
Is it Pioneer? Or is it pronounced it? Martellus?
All right. Let me know if he comes back.
We have an attorney?
I promised an apology, and I think I'm owed one.
All right, there, French, your attorney's name on the